You'll learn everything you need, from writing your script to generating images, choosing a voice, and finally, creating the video itself. Whether you're making something for fun, for work, or just to impress your friends, by the end of this video, you'll have the skills to bring your avatars to life. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's go into the world of talking avatars. And don't worry, I'll keep things simple and fun. When you first log into Leonardo AI, you'll be greeted with a simple and clean dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu with the main tools: text to image, image settings, and My Creations. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the text to image tool. This is where the magic happens. Click on Text to Image, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can type a description of what you want your avatar to look like. For example, you might type something like, a friendly humanoid robot with a blue suit, smiling, with glasses and a clean background. Once you've entered your description, hit the Generate button, and Leonardo will give you a few options. Take your time to review them. If none of them are perfect, you can tweak your description and hit Generate again. If you're indecisive like me, you might end up with 20 different versions of your avatar before choosing the final one. Next, let's talk about aspect ratios. The aspect ratio determines the size and shape of your image. For videos, the most common aspect ratio is 16:9, which is widescreen format and works perfectly for YouTube or other video platforms. Select the aspect ratio from the Settings menu on the side. You can also choose from some presets. These are predefined settings that Leonardo offers to make the image creation process smoother. You've just created your own talking avatar, speaking exactly what you've written, with a voice that feels alive and full of personality. Congratulations! Leonardo AI also lets you pick from different models. These are AI models that interpret your text and generate the image. By default, the Leonardo model is selected, but you can explore others depending on the look you're going for. If you're creating a realistic avatar, try the photorealistic model. If you're going for something more creative or cartoonish, try the artistic model. I'm not sponsored with Leonardo AI. This is just my personal tip for you. With a paid plan on Leonardo AI, you can unlock enhanced quality for sharper, more detailed, and professional-looking AI-generated images. Whether you're working on design, art, or content creation, upgrading gives you access to advanced tools that can truly elevate your work. Don't miss out. Enhance your creativity today. First things first, head over to the ChatGPT website and log in. Once you're inside, you'll see a simple chat box. This is where you'll type in your script or ask for help if you're not sure what your avatar should say. Think of ChatGPT like your virtual assistant. You give it commands or questions, and it gives you responses in seconds. Now, let's get into writing a basic script for your avatar. This doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a few simple lines like, "Hi there, I'm your friendly talking robot, here to guide you through today's tutorial." ChatGPT will generate a few different versions if you ask it to. For example, you could say, "Make the introduction sound more formal," or "Make the introduction more friendly and fun." ChatGPT will then adjust the tone and style. You can also refine your script by asking ChatGPT to add more details or change the structure. For example, make my robot avatar introduce itself, then explain the steps of the tutorial in a casual tone. If your robot's a little shy, you can even ask ChatGPT to give it some confidence. Make my robot avatar sound super excited and confident. Boom, now you've got a motivational robot. Tips for script writing with ChatGPT. Keep it simple. Since your target audience is likely new to these tools, make sure your script is clear and concise. Use conversational language. Don't overcomplicate things. Just have the avatar speak naturally. Ask for suggestions. If you're stuck, just ask ChatGPT. You can say, "Can you suggest a fun way to end my video?" First, log into Elevenlabs. Once you're in, you'll see a clean interface with a couple of options. You can either choose from pre-made voices or upload a voice sample to create your own custom voice. Click on the Pre-Made Voices option. You'll see a list of different voices, each with a short description like friendly, confident, or calm. Play a few samples to get a feel for what each voice sounds like. Pick a voice that matches your avatar's personality. For example, if you've created a friendly robot, a cheerful and upbeat voice will work great. If your avatar is more serious, go for something deeper or more authoritative. If you want your avatar to speak in your own voice, Elevenlabs also offers a voice cloning feature. Simply upload a sample of your voice and the AI will clone it. You can then use your cloned voice for the avatar. Tip: keep in mind that voice cloning works best with a clear, high-quality audio sample. If you're using this feature, record your voice in a quiet environment to avoid background noise. Once you log into DupDub, you'll see an intuitive dashboard where you can manage your projects. To start, click on the Create New Project button. From here, you'll be prompted to upload your avatar and the voiceover file you've created in Elevenlabs. Now it's time to sync your voiceover with the avatar. In DupDub, you'll upload both the image of your avatar and the voiceover you generated. Once they're uploaded, use the sync tool to align the avatar's mouth movements with the spoken words. DupDub's AI will automatically try to match the timing, but you can manually adjust it if needed by dragging the sync bar. To sum it all up, we've walked through everything you need to know to create your own talking avatar. We used ChatGPT to write the script, Leonardo AI to generate the avatar, Elevenlabs to create the voice, and DupDub to bring it all together into a video. Now it's your turn. Give it a try. Experiment with different styles and voices, and have fun. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Happy creating! Make sure to check the description for additional resources and links to all the tools we covered today. See you in the next video.